22 young adults living with disabilities were the recipients of certificates and special prizes in the areas of information technology, beauty care, and carpentry at the Open Doors Rehabilitation Center annual graduation exercise, which was held on Thursday. It was a joyous occasion for the graduates who dedicated the last 2 years of their lives to becoming equipped with the skills needed to easily transition into the world of work. Health advisor to the Minister of Health, Dr. Ramsammy, however, shared the belief that the true celebration will come when each of the graduates are gainfully employed. Dr. Ramsammy, who was the guest speaker at the ceremony, stressed the need for the creation of an environment in which persons living with disabilities can access equal training opportunities.
We have a law that says that every person, and in particular the persons living with disability, should not be discriminated against in terms of employment. But for us to employ people living with disabilities, we also need to provide training and educational opportunities.
According to Dr. Ramsammy, the Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony, has an interest in persons living with disabilities while acknowledging that the requisite resources to help this cohort of Guyanese transition successfully into the world of work must begin at the top.
We in government don't have the moral right to point to the private sector and tell them employ more people living with disabilities. It has to start with us. It has to start with the public sector. And more importantly, it has to start with the Ministry of Health.
Citing the ministry's plan to provide better opportunities for persons living with disabilities, it was assured that the 2022 budget will reflect the ministry's commitment.
We have to increase our investment to improve education and training opportunities. Over the next year, as we prepare our 2022 budget, you will see a reflection on that.
Dr. Ramsammy, in extending congratulations to the graduates, expressed optimism that they will each find their place in society. Meanwhile, Director of Rehabilitation Services Dr. Aryan Mangar encouraged the graduates to not limit themselves. The National Vocational Training Center for Persons with Disabilities, also known as the Open Doors Center, was established in 2001 and caters for young adults ages 16 to 45 with disabilities. It is the only institution in Guyana that provides vocational skills training for persons living with disabilities. Reporting for the HDP Nightly News, Kendell Richmond.